If you use a lot of styling products like me, then you know your scalp can get kind of itchy and irritated and just have that like really gunky feeling that no one likes. So that's why I wanted to try this living proof scalp exfoliator. And what I absolutely loved about it is this super precise tip that you can really get into the scalp and really target the areas that you like. And it is super quick to use. You just use it for 2 to 5 minutes. So literally I throw it on right before I'm going to shower. And I get my everything ready for my shower, and then you could just wash it away, and I find that the buildup is gone. One of the star ingredients in this is glycolic acid, which really helps to remove any dead skin cells, any impurities, any buildup. That really helps the health of your scalp, which is an absolute must if you really want your hair looking the best it wants to look. So you really just throw this in. I only use it every like once a week.